If you want to use power button in order to activate Gemini or Google Assistant on the Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we're gonna go to settings. Over here, go to gestures and open power key settings. Make sure that person hold is selected, and then you can choose digital assistant. It is actually set up as digital assistant by default, but if you made any change, then of course we can revert that and set up digital assistant again. And of course on this phone by default we use Gemini as the default assistant, as the digital assistant. So if you press and hold the power button, then you should be able to activate Gemini. In my case I didn't set it up, so I have to press continue and then use Gemini. So now if I press and hold the power button, as you can see we have Gemini. If you want to actually use Google Assistant instead, then we can open the Gemini app, which we can find in the Google folder, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and then here we have switched to Google Assistant. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.